I attended boarding school. Actually, all the way through junior college, I was in boarding school. The level of discipline, it was a Catholic boarding school, was really high. We had to wake up at a certain time, 6 a.m. with this big bell, right? Gong, gong, make our beds, take a shower, be in the dining room for breakfast at a certain time, go for prayer. Everything was systematic. So when I got to the university level, well, I was free. No boarding school, no rules. I attended college here. Everything is good. Now, as you're moving to the next level, this is what I discovered. You need that discipline so bad. Who knew? I would look back to those days and try to mimic what I used to do. Without discipline, it's hard to accomplish things. A friend of mine has this t-shirt I love. I actually told her the other day, you versus you. Basically, it's you fighting against yourself. You tell yourself, be on time, accomplish this and that at a certain day, on a certain date, and you actually have to follow through. As adults, especially in our personal lives, there is not much there no one is there to monitor. It's all up to you. When you want to move to the next level, you actually have to follow. For example, when I make appointments with clients, when I say 3 p.m., I actually have to show up at 3 p.m. Discipline is very important. The good thing is this is a learned habit. So you can learn to discipline yourself. You can learn to manage your time better. Stick to your word when you make a commitment, you actually follow through, because you have to be reliable. Character is important. If you have no character, then you won't stay at the top. You'll certainly come down, and you'll come down fast. Discipline with our health. My friend is helping me out with exercising and everything. And oh boy, I have to stay on this routine and measure this, measure that, but it all boils down to having the ability to go to the next level, because your bad behaviors can't hang out up there. They just don't fit. You have to leave all of them behind. Well, I want you to go ahead and identify certain areas you want to improve. Then make a plan to actually improve them. If it means waking up at 6 o'clock, getting things ready before the whole family wakes up, maybe that's what you've got to do. If it means sleeping 8 hours, because some of us can overwork ourselves, sleep very few hours, be grumpy all day, less productivity, and then we wonder what's wrong. So there are those disciplines that we have to set in place for ourselves. All right.